So I got the garden all done. Right here we're going to put a really cute garden bench. So I got my hanging baskets, my potted plant flowers, and I got maybe one or two more in this pot. I still need some orange, like partial shade, because this whole area will be shade at some point. I think around 1 o'clock. And then that one I got done. I got my cute little birdhouse here with another hanger. I might get a better shepherd's hook for this. And then, oh, I forgot to mention the birdhouse here. And then there's one over there. I got back here another potted plant and my kitty cat. I need another couple more orange partial shade for here. I got my fern and door decoration. New rug. I already need to sweep because this gets crazy. So yeah. I don't know if you can hear, there's baby birdies up in this little corner of the house. So